In this video, we are going to show you how to insert the 4 flyers on page in Microsoft Word document. Let's get started. In this case, we are going to use the text box. Go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a text box and drag it over here like this. To place it perfectly, go to View and activate the grid lines. Then you can place it perfectly with the margin. Now press Ctrl D to make it duplicate and place it like this. Let me zoom out. Now again press Ctrl D to duplicate and place it over here. Again press Ctrl D to duplicate and place it like this. Now if you want to add the text over here, just insert some demo text, place the text over here. Now go to View and uncheck the grid line, and this is the way. Now you can easily print these flyers very easily. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.